very big, very small, very short, very tall, very bright, very ugly, very dull, very beautiful, very exciting, very this, very that, very here, very there, very, 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 very. Didn't you think that we are using this word very, very much? Well, yes. So I'm your friend Sadiya Anjum and welcome back to my channel Sadiya Knowledge Point. If you are new here, do subscribe it. So today I'm going to tell you 50 new and fancy words which you can use at the place of the word very. वेरी वर्ड की जगह पे आप डिफरेंट फैंसी एंड न्यू वर्ड्स यूज कर सकते हैं जो कि मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी जिससे आप सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन करेंगे या फिर आप जब इंग्लिश बोलेंगे तो आपकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी क्लासी, थोड़ी नई और थोड़ी अपडेटेड। वेरी एंग्री, फ्यूरियस, FURIOUS, फ्यूरियस। वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, गॉर्जियस, GORGEOUS, gorgeous. Very big, massive, MASSIVE, massive. Very boring, dull, DULL, dull. Very noisy, deafening, DEAFENING, deafening. Very poor, destitute, DESTITUTE, destitute. Very cheap, stingy, STINGY, stingy. Very clean, spotless, SPOTLESS, spotless. Very short, brief, BRIEF, brief. Very difficult, arduous, ARDUOUS, arduous. Very dirty, arid, 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 arid. Very quick, rapid, RAPID, rapid. Very bad, awful, AWFUL, awful. Very smart, intelligent, INTELLIGENT, intelligent. Very sad, sorrowful, SORROWFUL, sorrowful. Very upset, distraught, DISTRAUGHT, distraught. Very cold, freezing, FREEZING, freezing. Very strong, forceful, FORCEFUL, forceful. Very huge, colossal, COLOSSAL, colossal. Very calm, serene, SERENE, serene. Very ugly, hideous, HIDEOUS, hideous. Very small, petite, PETITE, petite. Very funny, hilarious, HILAROUS, hilarious. Very quick, hushed, HUSHED, hushed. Very rich, wealthy, WEALTHY, wealthy. Very expensive, costly, COSTLY, costly. Very dirty, filthy, FILTHY, filthy. Very easy, effortless, EFFORTLESS, effortless. Very wet, soaked, SOAKED, soaked. Very slow, sluggish, SLUGGISH, sluggish. Very good, excellent, EXCELLENT, excellent. Very stupid, idiotic, IDIOTIC, idiotic. Very happy, ecstatic, ECSTATIC, ecstatic. Very exciting, exhilarating, 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 exhilarating. Very warm, hot, HOT, hot. Very weak, frail, FRAIL, frail. Very little, tiny, Tiny, tiny. Very bright, luminous, Luminous, luminous. Very busy, swamped, Swamped, swamped. Very careful, cautious, Cautious, cautious. Very clear, obvious, Obvious. Very colorful, vibrant, Vibrant, vibrant. Very confused, perplexed, Perplexed. Very creative, innovative, Innovative. Very crowded, bustling, Bustling, Bustling. Very dear, cherished, cherished. Very deep, profound, Profound. Very empty, desolate, Desolate. Very excited, thrilled, thrilled. Very fancy, lavish, lavish. I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. If yes, do hit the like button and also mention the word or words you like the most and the word or words you are going to use in your communication from today itself. Thank you.